Good evening, respectable viewers. Today our topic is electric board preparing if you have a one new room and what is the need of one room approximately one fan, one for light and one for two plug for use for the charging or you use any instrument, electric instrument like tape, TV and other extension and one for this light. Now my friend start. Now I teach you about the connections. Which connection use here back side like this. Now start. It is a fan. This is a also button. One button for this fan. And this is called a dimmer. Dimmer means it change the speed. Two sockets like this, and one for this button for these sockets. I fix with the tie with the nut and bolt like this. One bolt and viewers. Now I display this back side of the buttons. Now I put here positive and negative wire and connection each other. Further I teach you about the connection method where we use the after short break. I start again. I teach you about the connection. This is a dimmer. Now I put here some wire, one wire like this, and second this connection with the button like this. With one side this is positive and same connection here positive. My friend, now I teach you this connection. First connection with dimmer and this button. Okay, one here, one here. This is one point. Point is a button with the socket. Now I put here one wire, you see, and second I put here the downside of the socket. Now I tight here. This button and this socket connection. Next one start from here. You see. Now this screw is tight already. Now this one portion is completed, but only with carefully. This connection actually is not touch each other because it is a positive and negative, and they both are separate going every side. Now the next is the socket connection, both sides. This connection also complete. Actually, now socket, both socket connection complete. Okay. Now you see, all wire is separate, not touch any with other sides. Then this face connection wire, one button to another button, like this. This also I use wire the insulation. Insulation means the plastic because maybe touch with other problem. This reason I use this cable. It is a face and it is a negative. Okay, now this complete already. I tied here both. We will always use the two wires, one negative and one face, and line also use this word line. One touch with the face side and one touch with the negative side. And this pointer direct comes light from this side, and second touch with button. Viewers, one face comes in directly in the for fan, and second negative there, and one face like there. Okay, I hope you learn something, because in this short time, yeah, your responsibility. If you learn something, you give me feedback in in the shape of the subscribe, like, and share it. I will thankful to you for this favor.